Welcome to the channel, you absolute Zontes maniacs. If you're new around here, hit subscribe and tap that bell icon so you don't miss any of the daily deep dives, tutorials, and new model breakdowns we drop on this channel. Today we're looking at something special. This is the Zontes 2026 703RR, the triple-cylinder super sport that's been turning heads long before it even hit the showrooms. A 699 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder engine pushing out 95 horsepower at 11,500 RPM, 74.4 Nm of torque, and a top speed that punches straight through 257 km per hour. This thing isn't just fast, it's engineered to stay fast. The whole bike is built around a full aluminium twin-spar frame weighing just 12 kilos, paired with an aluminium subframe and swing arm that keep the whole package light, stiff, and razor-sharp. Up front you've got fully adjustable Marzocchi upside-down forks, and at the rear a matching Marzocchi shock with progressive linkage, giving you the kind of planted, confident handling you normally expect from bikes twice the price. And here's where the tech gets serious. The 703RR runs a full 6-axis IMU, the same kind of sensor suite you normally see on liter-class superbikes. It constantly measures pitch, roll, and yaw, along with acceleration in 3 directions, so the bike always knows exactly what it's doing, whether you're braking hard, leaning deep into a corner, or powering out of an apex. That IMU feeds live data into the traction control, ABS, anti-slip system, and the quick shifter, so every safety feature becomes lean-sensitive and far more precise. In simple terms, it means the electronics don't just react, they predict, stabilize, and keep the bike composed even when you're pushing it. Braking is handled by dual 300mm discs with Brembo calipers, backed up by that IMU-enhanced ABS and traction control package. The factory quick shifter snaps through the gears like it's reading your mind, and tire pressure monitoring, keyless PKE, full LED lighting, and a bright TFT display with Bluetooth all come standard. Seat height sits at 820mm, curb weight at 196 kilos, and with a 16-litre tank you're looking at a real-world range of around 320 kilometers. And of course, that signature ram air intake up front isn't just for show. It feeds the triple at high speed and gives the 703RR its unmistakable face. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss tomorrow's daily upload.